Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make a roll pillow. First, let's gather everything we need for this fun project. You'll want about 1/2 yard of your favorite fabric, perhaps a soft cotton or a durable linen. Make sure you have a sewing machine, matching thread, and a zipper that is at least 14 inches long. Don't forget your basic sewing tools, a measuring tape, sharp scissors, and plenty of pins. Finally, have your roll pillow insert ready. A common size is 6 inches by 16 inches. Now that we have our materials, let's prepare the fabric. First, cut your main fabric piece to 18 inches by 22 inches. Next, cut 2 circular end pieces, each 7 inches in diameter. These will form the ends of your roll pillow. Take a moment to press all your fabric pieces flat with an iron for crisp, clean edges. Then, fold and press the edges where your zipper will be inserted, creating a neat opening. With your fabric prepared, it's time to start sewing. Begin by installing your 14-inch zipper into the main fabric piece. This creates the opening for your pillow insert. Next, fold the main fabric in half lengthwise, with the right sides facing each other. Sew along the long raw edge, using a 1/2 inch seam allowance to form a tube. Finally, carefully attach the 2 circular end pieces to each end of this fabric tube, ensuring a smooth, rounded finish. You're almost done. Now, turn your newly sewn pillow cover right side out. Take your 6-inch by 16-inch pillow form and gently insert it into the cover through the zipper opening. Make sure the form is evenly distributed inside. Once the pillow form is in place, zip up the cover securely. And there you have it, your very own beautiful, handmade roll pillow, ready to add a touch of comfort and style to any space.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.